welcome back. Or should I say welcome back to me? Okay, guys, welcome back. I'm sorry I got off YouTube. I'm back. I have a couple of videos. I'm back. Even though I feel like YouTube has fell off, but I still want to keep it very relevant to everybody who can relate to me as a YouTuber or anything like that. So of course, by you guys clicking the title of the video, you guys know we are doing my lash maintenance. I do my own lashes. For those of you who don't know, if you don't follow me on TikTok, head over to my TikTok and follow me. Let's get me up. So I do baddie on the budget things, y'all. Like, only thing I don't do is sometimes is my hair, my eyebrows, my nails, and my toes. But I do my lashes myself. I do my own wigs when I want to install. But yeah, and I do my lashes. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and clean off my lashes, and I'm gonna come in closer, have you guys get in deeper and see how I do my lashes and how you guys can save on doing your lashes. Okay guys, so I went ahead and cleaned off my lashes. There's not much glue. I'm gonna still get in there and get some more off, but this is what I'm looking like. So of course you guys want to know how you guys can save money on doing your lashes, right? So altogether on this look, I spent about maybe $6. So a good wipe, like to clean off your lashes and everything like that, but that'll last you, so I don't really count that in this. But I get these lashes, they are Ioni lashes. I get these from Dollar Tree, okay? I get the blue pack, which is the wispy medium length, or I get the purple pack, which is wispy medium length too, but these are a little shorter and they look more natural than these, but these are still good. Then there's also a glue in there, and it's by Ioni as well, and I use this one, or I get the one that's pink and white. Lastly, you need yourself a pair of tweezers. If you don't have a lot of money to spend and you know you're balling on a budget, you can get some from Dollar Tree. They have these. I've also gotten a pair of pink ones from them, and they work great. These are from Dollar Tree. These are more sturdier than these, so I'm gonna use these. And then if you have, you know, a more expensive tweezer, totally cool. That's fine. So what I do first is I choose my eye that I'm gonna go first with. I look up, or you can lift up like this, and I just put the glue like this. Not too much, just enough to make sure that they're coated. Alright, so now that that is like that, I give it a couple minutes, well, a couple seconds. I use my little fan if I need to. You can also get this from Dollar Tree as well. And I do it for a very little bit. That's about it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start opening up the lashes. And everything is from the Dollar Tree, like I said, $1.25. So I really spent like $6, and these last me for about a week. Maintenance is up to you and how you take care of like your lashes, especially when you're in the shower and stuff like that, and you gotta wash your face. Okay, so the glue should be just about ready. So I basically get up close, go underneath, not too far back and not too far up so that it can't stick. And they're super duper easy to fix if you need to take it off later on. Kind of doesn't matter where you place it, you just follow your shape. And I usually typically use one box for a whole look. Speed it up a little. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my video, for me coming back to the tube. And I do have some more videos for y'all. Just gotta edit them. But I'm back. And we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Because I feel like I could do this. I could do this. But again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. And I hope I saved you guys some money. Leave my ghetto door alone. We ain't gonna talk about it. But I hope I was able to help you guys save some money. I would advise you guys to wait at least like 20-30 minutes before you go to sleep to let your eyes dry. If you could like feel anything, you know, just adjust, anything like that. But these are so cute. Every day, you don't have to put on a strip. They look very natural though, or they look like you got lash extensions. They have like different sizes. They have shorts, they have mediums, they have medium folds, they have medium wispies, they have extra large, they have large wispies. They have so many different designs. So just go to your local Dollar Tree, go to different local Dollar Trees and see what they have. And remember, the brand is Ioni. This video is not sponsored. Thank you guys so much. Bye.